Hey there everyone, welcome to 20 Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change glitch colors. Yes, there is an option of glitch colors apparently. So I'm going to show you how to do that without any further ado. So let's say I want to type in something. Okay, let's type in something. Do that, let's type in T. And let's say, okay, editing 24/7. Alright, so let's resize it a little bit bigger so it's like more clear. So okay, I want to change this into glitch color, so simply tap in here and go into the text color option, and yeah, here you can change the text color, but since I'm going to change the glitch color, let's go to the animate, and here you can see various options like simple, sleek, font, baseline, and stuff like that. And there is the option of effects as well. So in this effects you can see the option of glitch. So yeah, that is how you turn it into glitch. So it may not be that visible, so you can adjust the offset over here, how glitchy you want to make it, or the direction you want to make it frontward or like the backward. Maybe this, yeah, this will do. It does look a bit more glitchy, so yeah, this is how you change it into glitch. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.